Alright guys, welcome back. My name's Dante and I'll be your stream guide for today. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is setting up this green screen behind me in Streamlabs OBS in under 4 minutes. If you're new here, make sure to press that red button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. It helps out a lot. It also just keeps everybody up to date on all the content we're going to release. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right in the video. Alright guys, in this video, there's going to be a couple items you're going to need to have before you even get started, before you can even do this. You are going to need a green screen, you're going to need a light, you're going to need to have Streamlabs OBS already installed, and you're going to need a camera. Now I know a lot of people say you don't need the light, but if you don't have the light, it's going to make the green screen uneven and you're going to spend a lot of time setting up that light instead of just going ahead and getting started with everything else. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to go ahead and get this green screen set up behind me. We're going to go ahead and get it set up for Streamlabs OBS. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add your, of course, video capture device, which is your camera. You're going to press plus. You're going to do video capture device right here, which says built-in webcams or capture cards. You're going to add a source. Then I already have one. Just make sure you click add source. I'll go ahead and go in the properties and see what you'll see. It's what you're going to see when you click add source. Just click here. Click on this, drag it down till you see your video, click on it. Your video should be popping up here as a preview. Press done, and your video should be down here when it starts. Just put your video put yourself wherever you like it. Then, next thing we're gonna do, you're gonna right click your video capture device, you're gonna go to filters. You're gonna click plus, it's gonna give you a bunch of filter types, click the filter type. Scroll down till you see chroma key right here. You're gonna click that, and you're gonna click done. What happens when you click done is it brings you to this screen right here, and just whatever color your green screen is or your screen is, just make sure to click on that color. Mine's green, so we're gonna click green, and then once you've done that, click this right here, and this is what it'll look like in your background. You should be able to put yourself wherever you want, and it'll just be on top of everything. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video today. Make sure to tune in to other tutorials.